How to continue using your Grok app with just paying $2 instead of paying a $30. So in this video, I'm going to put you through the step-by-step method on how you will subscribe with just $2 instead of the $30. It's very important you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step method you need to follow on how you do your subscription package of $2, and you can gain access to the Grok AI, which you use to generate unlimited videos. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So the first step, you go to your Google, you type X, you will see this X Twitter, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this face, and it will load. After loading, it will bring you to this page where you need to sign up using your Google. So it will take you to this next page, which you have to select any account of your Google choice you want, like your email, any account you want to make use of. You select it. So after selecting it, you take you to this page, which you have to click continue. After continue, it will take you to this next page, which you have to select your date of birth. So after selecting your date of birth, it will bring you to this page. What do you want to see on X? You have to select, is it dance, is it basketball, is it fashion, is it gaming, is it shopping, is it health and fitness? Anything you want to see on this gaming platform, you have to select it. After selecting, they'll tell you, and they say do not miss out. It's compulsory, at least you follow one person. So I have to click on the first person because it's compulsory. If not, you'll not be able to proceed. You press next. They'll ask you to get the app. If you want, you can download it, and if you don't want, you can just bypass it. So as for me, I have to bypass because I don't want the app. So the next thing to bring you to this page, you have to click on that icon that is carrying the start of your name. Like you can see C. I have to click that icon. Once you click it, it will now take you to this page, which you select premium. So once you select premium, it will bring you to this page. You can see the premium package. You have the one of 30,195 naira. You can see, you just have to scroll up. Yes, you can see the one of 3,800 instead of 7,600. So we'll be going for this because you also have enhanced rock asset, and it's mainly because of the rock assets we are going for this subscription. So the next thing, you have to click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface where you have to click on this subscribe and pay. Once you click on your subscribe and pay, it will start loading just like this. So after loading, it will bring you to this interface where you have to add your card number, your name, your CVC, select your country region, and after that you have to click on this subscribe. So after making your payment, it will take you to this next page that say you are all set. Purchase was successful. So the next thing here, you have to click continue. So once you click continue, to welcome you to premium package, then you have to press this take a quick tour. Once you click it, to show you everything, standard, take control, you click it, get page to push, then you press continue, then you come to this page. You can see Grok. So this is the main one. This is why we subscribe to this package. So now you can now have access to your Grok. You can now make as much videos as you want. So the next thing you have to do now is for you to click on the Grok. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. So I left the page, I moved directly to my Grok app. When I got to my Grok app, the next thing, I clicked on these two lines up there, and it brought me to this page. After I got to this page, I have to click on the up icon, and I logged out. So it's very important you log out. So after logging out, this page will appear next. So you have to click continue with X. After clicking on it, the next thing will bring you to this page. So it will start loading like this. You're going to give it a time for it to process. So it will bring you to this page. You have to authorize the app. So you click authorize app. After authorizing the app, you have to add a Google account. You click continue with Google. So once you click with continue with Google, it will bring you to this page. Make sure you select the Google account that you use to create the X account. So after that, you go back to your ChatGPT. Once you get your ChatGPT, you copy the prompts that will be using the Grok app now. You copy the prompts, then you move to your Grok app, select your photo, you paste your prompts in it for us to test whether it will work. So after putting your prompts, the next thing allow it to load, and we are still asked to upgrade, we are still asked to pay for the package. But don't worry, I'm making this video mostly for the purpose of people who, after making the $2 subscription and still we are not able to access their Rock account. So in this video I'm going to show you another way you use your X account to access your Grok app. So the next thing now, we have to move to Google. You don't need to use the app anymore. You have to operate it on your Google. Most people using iPhone are unable to access it even after making the $2 subscription. So move to your Google, type in Grok. Then once you get to your Grok, you click on it, and once you are done clicking, it should bring you to this page where they'll ask you to view in Grok app or open Grok. Click open Grok, then you sign in. Make sure you sign in with continue with X the way we signed in on the Grok app earlier. As you can see, I've already signed in my own. So if you have not done yours, you have to sign in pressing continue with X. You click on your video. After clicking on video, you will click on the plus sign there, then you select your photo. After selecting your photo will load. You add your prompt and it will start generating. So after generating, and voila, here is the video.
Finally, I thought that class would never end. You say that every day because every day feels like forever in that class.